It's Ankole Media. I think this I must Brady Sparks in one savage on it. Yes, sir. Kokuna Gambire to actually the Barabo experience, and I invested in and one of the people Abaria line up is over was the man himself, Paul Kakoba Boy. Paul Takwachira Ankole Media. It's a pleasure to have you.
Yeah, natural.
So Paul, first things first, I want to just in one or two adjectives describe today.
Today has been about Western region. Sure, most of us here are here on giving back to supporting this thing. Anyway, even never but now we are successful. We thank God. Yeah, Western
Uganda music is going to another level. Now this is music. Today was music. When should we expect you?
Well,
now you've grown too big. By the way, I'll give you flowers when we have a chance to. I'll give you flowers because you deserve this. You deserve more than this even. So when are we celebrating you? Because up to when today now a chance to make when is he being celebrated?
When I'm ready. So whoever is ready to also make it happen, I'm ready.
So should we expect in the maybe next year maybe around?
Well, Nimanyachi was a Wenga right now. It may call Wenga as someone who's like starting to just get out there. But
you have had a crazy career because considering I've a big fan of yours and I've always witnessed right you from scratch up to where you are today. Like you have had quite the catalog. You've had quite the numbers, and for sure it's so crazy. So that's why I say you are worth being celebrated.
I am ready. Most of us are ready. So the stakeholders who are responsible to make this thing happen, they're people, they know what I'm talking about. The people can come out there and be like, hey, but we can actually organize something with this guy and actually do make some money. So we are ready to sit and talk business, really. But I'm ready, and you're ready, and most of the fans are ready.
Before I let you go, even if you were to rant about something like about Western Uganda music, what would you rant about?
Really, I'll be thankful. I work with a guy. Nana hina binji na wenu basha bamukaja mwana hiya hikaho wachenga so I can't start ranting wachenga
tina nkaho kureba munka kakamogo somewhere around.
Well, I think just naturally tukuchira kunda ebintu bituri hihi. I think it's like an inborn thing. Anyway, guy, naturally, that's why most of the people in power never what I change in the series. That unruly ego so guys, so I take you down here. Na music na saji koro mutagumana jihura konkaru kohozo shong.
So think minus you. Give me your top 3 Western Ugandan artists as I let you go. Minus you.
My top 3. Man,
just I understand with your man deserving a credit, but minus you.
My opinion would never circulate was missing out my top 3 or then okay one Korea. No,
the personal rating.
A personal rating. Still, I'm saying bona around the 10 people or more are doing some crazy work, and I appreciate what they're doing.
So, I'm and then to the fans as I let you go.
Thank you very much. Western music. YouTube.
One of the biggest.
You know, so it's trending on TikTok. Please. Mumfollowinge imwe nimukwa no manye behama
arofana azengo nkubuze kuno banatunje chance yo kubona ekishongoro cyembohe kachirho abantu babiri. There is one cha Matt Henry, there is two echawe Like now, I want you to clear the air there. I want to confuse it.
Ataho no bechivuze chibakoboza kuguma no garaka munchikachika konka twena bo tuli abatabano ba Western Uganda. Let's all celebrate the song kastecheshonga abantu ndibachikora chi ndibachikunda bawabugana na Martin na cheshongora. Celebrate with him oba wabugana cheshongora. Celebrate with me abakwa twena tuli abatabano ba Alpha Music Entertainment.
Ladies and gentlemen, but thank you so much for allowing to have you. And Brady Sparks and I'm in the Savage camera. See when you see me.